Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. First, if you're using USB-C headphones, make sure to clean the charging port at the bottom as dust can block the connection. Next, restart the phone by pressing power and volume up simultaneously, then swipe up to restart. If you're using an adapter for 3/4mm jack, make sure it's certified or original because cheap adapters can break anytime. Then test another pair of headphones to see if the issue is with the headphones or the phone itself. As a last resort, update your phone software. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, then Software Update, and it checks automatically with Wi-Fi. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to avoid old glitches. For Bluetooth headphones, go to the main settings page and open Bluetooth. If your headphones are already paired, forget them, then toggle Bluetooth off and on. Pair them again using your device's pairing method, and they should connect. If you can't connect, make sure headphones and case are fully charged, as low battery can prevent pairing mode. Also avoid interference from other devices that might connect faster, either unpair them or forget them from those devices. Finally, double-check system and software update to ensure you're on the latest version. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.